Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete elements, widgets, columns, and sections in Elementor. Whether you're cleaning up your page design or making room for fresh content, knowing how to remove these components efficiently will make your editing workflow much smoother. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and locate Pages, then click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages on your website. From here, look for the specific page you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor editor interface, giving you full control over your page's design and layout. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, let's start by removing a widget. Widgets are the individual building blocks of your page, like text boxes, images, or buttons. To delete one, simply hover your mouse over the widget you want to remove. As you do this, you'll notice small handles appear around it. These handles are your editing controls. Right-click on the widget's edit handle, and from the menu that pops up, select Delete. The widget will disappear instantly, clearing up that space on your page. Next, let's move on to deleting a column. Columns are the gray areas with dotted lines that hold your widgets in a structured layout. Removing a column will also delete everything inside it, so make sure you want to get rid of all the contents before proceeding. Hover over the column you wish to remove until you see its handles appear. Right-click on the column handle, and from the options displayed, choose Delete. The entire column and all widgets within it will be removed from your page layout. At this point, you've successfully cleaned up your page by removing unwanted widgets and columns. But don't forget to save your work. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Publish button. Right beside it, you'll see an option labeled Save Draft. Click on Save Draft to preserve all the changes you've made without publishing them live immediately. This gives you the flexibility to review your edits later before making them public. And there you have it. You now know how to delete widgets, columns, and sections in Elementor, giving you complete control over your page's structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.